Tadringa de la San Diego ki tholok University of San Diego dusle de tangi ki residence thamadi chati du lochi do sasu ani nge ki the masters in supply chain management ki zinde di peje ta lochi de chegas chati gore tadringa de residence sumba di dus chati du shwai ne nam so la chiro la simbi shugo en dus chene दूसरे शाह शूएंगे देखो जो लापटे दिस जिरम सावा दूसरे कैप्शा या वो शूज कैप्शा सीधा ओ सब लोग टेस्ट ले शूएंगे क्या तेरे साथ ये माँ चीज़ें फिर ये सब के ही बड़े हैं आज उस लापटे ला शूगे जुड़ा सोया दो दिए हैं नंबर दो सीधा रहा है दी कैंपस डिस्चार्ज दो and they're like Helen K and James A's Copley Library. I do shit. Campus ninja shoes yoga. You see that up on the last year, study for the shah. See that? Last year, the study station. I'm finding Yamaha has been a couple of dinner story. This but I don't have to do the society. Follow. Ama sağ gevşe, bizi. Lonis ne geldi? Şimdi şu gevşe. Adila Nas Center for Business Education, Nas School of Business. Conhecido. Já. Oh, good job, good. And this shit. You want this shit? That might be there. This shit. Hi everyone, how you doing? I'm at the campus today. Today is Sunday, I believe August 28th. This is our last semester, and we are supposed to be here for 1.5 years residence, 3 residents in the whole course. For 1.5 years. It's a condensed hybrid course for a master's degree, and this is our campus, so it's very beautiful. It's University of San Diego, and if you remember, I think like probably 5 years ago or 6 years ago, His Holiness Dalai Lama was here. He was giving a lecture to the students, right, faculties, and this was the university where a lot of Chinese students, they kind of show their resentment, against inviting His Holiness to the campus. And Dusresha. But yeah, this is the same university, so I can show you the back, and you can see the campus back there. Oh, lasso. Oh, and those charging, those shway. The shoge ne kora dudu hola so ani devi na oh ta si da de labda ki lu sawa shu ji zom te sha oh ta lu sawa du de go zu zwa ko je moving de sha That's up in what in the Shah, San Diego. Two shoes do. Margans are Mika the Shah. Other than a dry princess, I guess the Chico or what? There is a good sign in Yamdo. There's a juice in a short sheet of geese. Euro cheese, how does grind that? You don't do Shah. Good one. Oh yeah. So chang mal mirisha da. Awa drone mirisha. Awa drone mirisha.